Humility is admitting that nobody is perfect. And that is why there is always room for improvement, the need for reforms. Good men made better.
Master, behold your brethren. Brethren, behold your master.
Standing before you today, I do so with a heart full of humility, gratitude, and profound honor. To be entrusted with the Oriental Chair of Macajalar Lodge is not merely a position, it is a sacred duty, a solemn obligation, and a labor of love. First and foremost, I lift all praise and thanksgiving to the grand architect of the universe for his constant guidance, protection, and wisdom. Without his light, no labor can prosper, and without his grace, no leader can rightly serve.
Freemasonry is never for everybody. More so when one is entrusted to lead a prestigious Masonic lodge like Macajalar Masonic Lodge number 184. Not every Master Mason can serve as Master of the Lodge. So much pride that we must also be cautious, because so much pride can be trouble. We must remember the first lesson taught in Freemasonry, and I would say before we even enter the doors of Freemasonry, is humility, the opposite of pride. In God, we must trust. After all, we can only do our very best, and we must pray to God to complete whatever is lacking.
Let us labor together, walk together, and grow together for the glory of God, honor the craft, and in betterment of humanity.